This video is going to give you an overview of the Veracross portals. You'll notice that when you log in this year, you'll be taken directly to a new portal called the Staff Portal. The Staff Portal is all new and includes our staff notices. It is responsive in that if you view it on a mobile, it will look like this, so that it's more scrolling. But if you view it on a desktop or a laptop, it will look more like this. If you need to get to the faculty portal, you can click under the Change Portal button and you'll be able to see any of the portals that you're allowed to switch to based on how you interact with NIST. And the Logout button is here as well. Some things to point out about the portal: there is a menu system at the top with a bunch of different calendars menus. This is your calendar and how to subscribe to them, and some other ones. Directories, where you can see key contacts for the school, students, and faculty directory, so you can figure out who everybody is by department. There are a bunch of news links where you can find parent news, student news, and all the staff news, which you can also see on the page here. There are links to some professional development. We have put together all of the request links and bookings. For example, leave and cover, purchasing orders, transportation bookings, media booking like photography and video, as well as Michai Learning Commons, etc., etc. You'll be looking for the links up in here. The other big section is resources, where we've got key documents to get to all the Google Drive folders of all the teams and departments, brand standards, style guides, the libraries, teaching resources blog, and the technology database. We've also set a list of systems that you may need at school. For example, ManageBack, Naviance, IB, etc. So please look to those menus to be able to find your way around. We've put some of the most important ones as buttons on the page, and you'll start to see upcoming events as we get closer to those dates. Important links will show up here. In order to read staff news or faculty news, you can just read it here, and you'll notice that each article has a title to show you whether it's for all faculty, elementary faculty, or secondary, with the date, the title, and a quick summary. The title is your way of clicking to read an article. So if I want to read about LE student iPads, I click on it. It takes me to a new page with the text and pictures of that article. In order to go back to the staff portal, I could go to staff portal or home or use my back button. If you have any feedback or anything that needs to be added either to the menus as buttons on the page or as wordings anywhere, please click on New Portal Feedback, which takes you to a Google Doc where you can add some feedback for us on things that you need to remove, change, edit, or add. If you want to add a news item here, please talk to your school offices. It's as explained on this page, add a news article. Down near the bottom of the page, we have the staff, social club, and community news, all in this one section. If you think you've read all these, you're fine. If you need to load more, there's a quick button here for you to add more articles below that current one. If you don't like having your news mixed together, you can also click on either this link to read elementary staff news, which includes all staff news and elementary staff news, or on the secondary staff news. The weekly bulletins from your head of section are also here. These are links to Google Docs with the week in review that will be published by every Monday morning. As far as the faculty portal, it has been completely redesigned in the background, but more or less it has all the same functions as prior version of the portals, where you've got your list of classes, you can get to attendance here, you can go to email your parents here, and you can get to report cards here, for example. Most of the functionality here is still the same, but improved. Again, if there's something you want to give us feedback on, do this. There is a new button at the top of the faculty portal called Messages, which is the same as this, which if you click, it takes you to a listing of all messages that have been sent via Veracross to you, and you can tell all of these messages have been sent through Veracross and that you still haven't read these 3 in Veracross. If you are sure you have already seen them in your email, you can easily just click Mark All as read, and that will make the unread count go down from 3 back down to none. If you ever need to get to these, you can also go to Messages. I hope that helps you navigate the new portals. Thanks for watching.